Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform model at Lunis Ali University Blida in Algeria. Today we're going to present our sixth lecture titled What is Accounting Ethics? So I have divided my sixth lecture into the following elements as well as what is accounting ethics, what is the Sarbanes-Oxley SOX, language activities including building vocabulary, and finally assessment including quizzes, tests, exams. So what is accounting ethics? Accounting ethics refers to following specific rules and guidelines set by governing bodies that every person associated with accounting should follow to prevent misuse of the financial information or the management position. So what is the Sarbanes-Oxley SOX? The new law set out reforms and additions in four principal areas: corporate responsibility, increased criminal punishment, accounting regulation, and finally new protections. Third element, language activities. The word threat as a noun or countable or an uncountable noun means a statement in which you tell somebody that you will punish or harm them. For example, the company's pay offer was accompanied by plainly veiled threats if it was rejected. Teachers have lifted their threat of strike action. Finally, please learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, including quizzes, tests, exams. Thank you for your attention. See you next time. Yeah.